Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Commerce theory part for the first year's English medium. The chapter that we are dealing with, the first chapter, commencement of the business. This is the third session of the chapter. So in the previous session we have discussed about what is memorandum of association and what is article of association. So here we are going to discuss about the differences between the memorandum of association and article of association. Let us see first the scope. It is a constitution of the company. Yes, memorandum of association is a constitution of the company. Means within its framework, within its circumstance only, the company has to perform its performance. Okay. So the company work in the framework given in the memorandum. So the company can carry out its work within the framework what is mentioned in the memorandum. So it can't go beyond the memorandum of association. So what is article of association means? The article contains bylaws for the day-to-day working of the company as set out in the memorandum of association. So it is an for internal management purpose we required article of association. The article of association contains those things which are required for the day-to-day activities of the company. So it also includes the things which are in memorandum of association. Those things are implemented in the article of association. So article of association is set out in the memorandum of association. What are contained in the memorandum of association? Those things which have to be doing day-to-day activities that can be done with the help of article of association. Next need. Memorandum of association must be prepared by all the companies and filed with the registrar. Okay, so memorandum of association is a necessary that every company should have to prepare, and it should have to file that with the registrar of the company. Okay, next, article of association. The public company may not have their own articles. So for the private company they can keep their own articles, but the public company can't keep their own articles. So that's why they have to adopt the articles according to table A, schedule 1 as its articles. So whatever the articles are there in table A and schedule 1, those articles should have to be adopted by the article of association. So relationship, the next one is relationship. It defines the relationship between the company and the outside world. So memorandum of association indicates the relationship between the two parties, that is, one is company and another one is outside world. Whereas come to the article of association, it defines the relationship between company and members among themselves. So it is within the company, but memorandum of association is within the company and with the outside of the company. But the article of association is only within the company. It maintains the relationship with the company and the members among themselves, means members of the company. So it maintains relationship between these two. So next one is alternation. So alternation means the chances of changing. Okay, it can't be changed easily. Memorandum of association can't be changed easily. If we want to change the memorandum of association, again it has so much legal formalities. So article of association can be altered easily, means it can be changed easily, but the memorandum of association can't be changed easily, but article of association can be changed easily. Next, provision. It is a subordinate only to the act. So memorandum of association is a subordinate. Subordinate means it is follow the rules and regulations of the act. Which act? Companies Act. Okay, the company work with the legal provisions of memorandum of association. So the company will be run according to the legal provisions. Whatever the legal provisions are there in the memorandum of association, according to that the company will be run. It is subordinate to Memorandum and the Companies Act. Okay, the article of association is subordinate to the Memorandum of Association and it also subordinate to the Company Act 2013. Legal effect. Any act of the company beyond the scope of memorandum will be void. So, if anything is done against or beyond the scope, over the scope of the memorandum, it will become illegal in the eyes of the law, and also it is a void, means it is completely wrong according to the Companies Act. It will be completely wrong if anything done in the company that is not mentioned in the memorandum, then it will become very difficult for the company to face the legal things which arises due to doing these kind of things. Okay, next, anything is done beyond the scope of article is not be void. So if anything is done, okay, if anything is done beyond the scope of article, it is not a wrong thing because it can be rectified by passing a special resolution, by giving a special reason why we have changed the internal structure of the company. By giving a special reason or special resolution, we can change the internal structure of the company. So the article of association can perform its function beyond the scope of beyond the scope. Okay, so if it perform beyond the scope, then it will not be wrong. But if the memorandum of association, if the company is performing beyond the scope of the memorandum of association, then it will be completely treated as a wrong. So this is the major differences between memorandum of association and article of association. Let us meet in some other session with the new topic. Till then, you have to do the hard work and you have to maintain a speed writing with a good handwriting. Okay, yeah.